Good day, guys. This is Ugo TV. So today, guys, I'll be showing you how you can identify if a particular YouTube channel is monetized. Okay, and if YouTube channel pays. So basically, guys, you have to go to your YouTube, and please, guys, make sure to share this video. Follow me up on my Facebook page at Ugo TV, then on my YouTube channel at Ugo TV. So this is my YouTube interface, the display, and that is my YouTube channel there. As you can see, Ugo TV. So let me just alright. So this is my YouTube channel, guys, Ugo TV. Make sure to subscribe. So all I have to do is just copy this link here, the description of the video. I'll just copy the link, and once I copy, now the link to check if a particular YouTube channel is monetized, I'll be dropping this video both on my Facebook page and my YouTube channel. But the link, I'll be dropping the link on the video that I'm going to be posting on my YouTube channel in the description of the video. So I won't be dropping the link on my Facebook page. I'll only drop the link to my YouTube channel on my Facebook page when I post this video. So all you have to do is just click the link. It will take you directly to my YouTube channel, and you watch the video, you subscribe, guys, and there you will see the link to check if a YouTube channel is monetized in the description of the video in my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm trying to paste the link. Yeah, so this is the link to check if a YouTube channel is monetized. So over here, guys, so check monetization. All I have to do is enter the channel link, where it's boldly written channel link, and I've entered my channel link, and I click on check monetization. So guys, this channel is now monetized. My YouTube channel is not yet monetized. So I go back to YouTube. Let's search for Jojo Fulani. I guess some of you know him. He's a content creator, a comedian. So Jojo Fulani's YouTube channel page. Now this is it, guys. So let's just copy the link. And all you have to know is, for your YouTube channel to be monetized, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and above. So this is it, guys. Let me input Jojo Fulani's YouTube channel and insert it in the box. I delete mine and I insert his own in the box, and I click on check monetization. So his channel is monetized. Jojo Fulani's YouTube channel is monetized, guys. So this is basically how to check if a particular YouTube channel is monetized. Any YouTube channel is monetized. So all you have to do is just copy the link, then take the link in the description of this video, go to your Google, paste it, and insert the link that you wish to check if it's monetized, and you have it all. So guys, share this video. Make sure you share this video, and remember, you must have up to 1,000 subscribers for you to be eligible for monetization in YouTube. So follow up for more updates.